The vibrations from some motorcycles can affect the image stabilization of newer smartphones. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this vibration dampener from Quad-Lock Moto. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews like this. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more. Let's go! So this product was released pretty recently. A lot of riders complained that their smartphone cameras were left shaking after going for a ride. In a world where our smartphones are so expensive, this quickly became a serious issue that needed to be solved. Enter the vibration dampener priced at $19.95. Here's a quick view of it in action. It's important to note that the issue of image stabilization being ruined is not exclusive to Quad-Lock products. It happens with most cell phone holders out there. Hit that like button down below if you're getting value from this video. Now let's get into some pros. The first major pro is that it actually works. I've had my iPhone 12 Pro on the bars for almost 3 months now, and I haven't had any issues with any of the 3 cameras on my phone. The second is that it is compatible with all Quad-Lock mount and accessories. It's also easy to install. The science and materials put into this really do the job. So the only con that I find with this product is that I think the vibration dampener should be standard with all the kits that Quad-Lock sells. Being that our smartphones are such high value items, I think this should just be included rather than just be optional. Other than that, I'm very pleased with this product. The sense of confidence in the fact that I'm not sacrificing my phone's camera while I have it on the bars is a major plus. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.